Hey everybody, my name is Karina. Do you like Olive Garden Sopa Toscana? If you do, this recipe is for you. Let me show you guys how I make it. My family says that it's even better than Olive Garden's. For this recipe, I've set my pot on medium heat and I'm gonna add the bacon. I'm using 12 ounces of bacon that I've cut into smaller pieces. Cook for about 3 minutes and then we add 16 ounces of Italian mild sausage. We break it down. Once it's broken down, we add 2 minced garlic cloves and 1 small white onion. And continue frying for about 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and I'm gonna add chicken broth. I'm adding 48 ounces. Then we add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, give it a mix, and cover up until it comes to a boil. While it's cooking, check for any excess grease and remove it. It's been 5 minutes, it's now boiling. I'm gonna add 4 potatoes that I've cut into round slices. Give it a stir, cover it up and let it cook for about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, I'm gonna check on the potatoes. And this is how I like them. Make sure you don't overcook them because you'll have mushy potatoes. Okay. Now we add in 16 ounces of heavy whipping cream. Give it a stir. Right now is the perfect time to check for salt. I've checked mine and for me it's just perfect. We cover it up again and continue cooking until it comes to a boil. It's been 3 minutes. We're gonna open it up and add the kale. I'm using 7 ounces of kale. Make sure the kale is covered in the broth. We turn off the heat, cover it up, and let it rest for another 5 minutes or until the kale is nice and tender to your liking. Okay, our soup is now ready and it looks so delicious. You can see that the potatoes are not mushy and that's how I like it. And the kale is cooked to perfection. Now I'm gonna serve myself. And I like to top it off with some Parmesan cheese. Add as much as you like. Okay guys, moment of truth. Cheers. Honestly guys, it's so delicious. Better than Olive Garden. I also like to dip bread in it, guys. The broth is perfect. I got this bread at the store. They make it fresh every day. Honestly, so delicious. And there you have it, delicious Sopa Toscana. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.